Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Atika Dinul Fitria, student ID 10572116124. Today, I will present the result of an analysis titled The Impact of the Adoption of Digital Financial Infrastructure, QRIS and E-Wallets on Consumer Behavior and the Financial Well-Being of MSMEs in South Sulawesi. First, there is background. Digital transformation has changed the way people conduct economic transactions. In Indonesia, the use of QRIS or Quick Response Code Indonesian Standard and digital wallets is growing rapidly. In 2024, the volume of QRIS transactions grew by approximately 175% year-over-year, driven by an increase in the number of users and merchants. In addition, the number of QRIS users has reached more than 52 million with more than 33 million registered merchants. In South Sulawesi, the adoption of QRIS and digital wallets is becoming increasingly widespread among MSMEs, particularly in the cities of Makassar, Parepare, Baru, and several other commercial centers. This phenomenon is driving change in consumer behavior while also influencing the financial performance of MSMEs. Next, here we can see three theoretical frameworks. First, the technology acceptance model. Second, financial inclusion theory. And third, consumer behavior theory. The technology acceptance model is a theory that explains that people will use technology if they perceive it to be easy to use and to provide tangible benefits. Financial inclusion theory refers to digital payments infrastructure that can improve access to formal financial service for the public and MAS. And finally, consumer behavior theory refers to the ease of transactions which can influence purchasing decisions, consumption frequency, and customer loyalty. Next, impact on consumer behavior. There are two impacts on consumer behavior, positive and negative. The positive impacts are fourfold. One, increased convenience in transactions. This increase in transaction convenience means consumers no longer need to carry cash and can make payments using only their smartphones. Two, increased purchase frequency. With this increase in purchase frequency, the convenience can encourage consumers to make transactions more often. Next, faster payment processes. With the availability of QRIS and e-wallets, lines are now shorter, thereby increasing customer satisfaction. Increased consumer trust. Since transactions are recorded digitally, they are considered safer and more transparent. Next, the negative impact. There are three negative impacts, namely, 1. Consumption-driven behavior. The ease of digital payments can also lead some people to shop more frequently without paying attention to their spending. 2. Dependence of technology. Network disruptions can also hinder transaction. 3. Cybersecurity risks. Although QRIS and e-wallets are advanced, there is still a potential for digital fraud if users lack digital literacy and do not fully understand cybersecurity. Next is the impact on the financial well-being of MSMEs. Research on MSMEs in Baru Regency, South Sulawesi shows that the use of QRIS has a positive and a significant impact on the ease of business transactions, especially sales have increased because it is easier for consumers to make transactions. Next is operational efficiency. This efficiency can reduce the need for cash management. Then there is financial record keeping, which is now more organized and well documented. And finally, there is customer loyalty, which has also increased due to more flexible payment methods. Next, growth of QRIS transactions in Indonesia. We can see an annual growth trend that indicates the accelerating adoption of digital payments and their relevance to SMEs in South Sulawesi, particularly in Makassar and several other regions. QRIS usage continues to rise. Many SMEs, such as food stalls, coffee shop, convenience store, and market vendors, are beginning to accept digital payments. This indicates that the public is becoming increasingly accustomed to using financial technology in their daily lives, making economic activities more efficient and modern. Okay, next in conclusion. QRIS and e-wallets have had a significant positive impact on consumer behavior and the financial well-being of SMEs in South Sulawesi. Consumers enjoy convenience, speed, and security in their transactions, while SMEs benefit from increased sales, operational efficiency, and improved financial record keeping. With the growing use of digital payments, QRIS and wallets have the potential to become key drivers of financial inclusion and regional economic growth in South Sulawesi. Well, that concludes my presentation. I apologize if my pronunciation was unclear or incorrect at times. Billahi fisabilil haq, fastabiqul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.